Educational Manual, Understanding Commercial Law and Debt Discharge. Introduction. This manual provides foundational knowledge about the commercial system underpinning modern financial and legal operations. It focuses on empowering individuals to better understand contracts, agreements, and their roles within the system. By gaining this knowledge, individuals can navigate remedies for public debts, charges, and institutional claims effectively. Part 1. Overview of the commercial system. What is the commercial system? Our current legal framework operates as a commercial, not legal, system. Rooted in bankruptcy law, it allows for revenue generation, economic growth, and credit production. Gold and silver were removed as financial standards in the 1930s, replaced with a credit-based, collateral-backed system. Your role in the system. Key roles. Beneficiary, you benefit from the trust system established through Social Security. Collateral provider, your labor, property, and agreements act as collateral for the national debt. Core principle, contracts and agreements are the foundation of the system, giving them inherent value. Part 2. Understanding contracts. What are contracts? A contract is any agreement or obligation you enter into, such as speeding tickets, mortgages, loans, tax forms. By signing, you create a future performance value, turning the agreement into a financial instrument. Controlling your contracts. Learn to manage agreements to avoid handing over control to others. Recognize the power in your agreements to take control of obligations like debts or charges. Part 3. Remedy through the trust system. How it works. Negotiable instruments, bills, judgments, and public debts can be settled through the trust system. Key concept. Subrogation allows you to pass liability to the trustee, government or institution, maintaining your role as the beneficiary. Steps for discharge. 1. Accept and return. Acknowledge the charge and return it to the issuing party with instructions for settlement. 2. Issue proper notices. Include clear instructions with legal references. Follow up with reminders if the institution fails to act. Key legal references. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 8 defines negotiable instruments and their legal implications. H.J.R. 192, 1933, establishes remedies for debt discharge. Universal Postal Union, UPU, governs international commerce systems. Part 4. Practical application. Examples of discharge. Public bills, taxes, court judgments, and utility bills. Criminal charges, non-harmful, financial matters only, e.g., fines. Large institutional claims, bank debts, government levies. What not to do. Do not misuse forms like IRS tax documents. Avoid creating instruments, e.g., promissory notes, without understanding their proper use. Part 5. Key takeaways. The commercial system is based on trust. Contracts are central. Every agreement you sign has value and creates obligations. Be the beneficiary, avoid taking on the role of trustee and liability. Operate within the system, master the rules to manage liabilities effectively. Knowledge is power. Learn how to issue, accept, and return instruments to settle debts. Understand your rights and role in the national banking system. Navigate financial matters strategically instead of emotionally. Appendices. Important legal codes. Title 18 U.S.C. Section 8, Title 31 U.S. Code 3123 and 5103, House Joint Resolution 192, 1933. Final note, this manual is a starting point. Deepen your knowledge through study, practice, and mentorship. With understanding, you can reclaim control over your financial and legal interactions.